Just got a call, gotta go back. But this has been epic. So here's the thing, right? To all tourists, wherever you go, if it's a peaceful place, I can understand a mall, but if it's a peaceful place, be peaceful. Don't be yelling and screaming and breaking the tranquility for others. This group right here, the noisiest bunch of people. This is not your backyard. You do not own this place. It's not your hall. Don't scream around and ruin a peaceful, tranquil place like this. Come on, Indian tourists. Learn. We're ambassadors of our own country. लोग हमारी ये हरकतें देखेंगे क्या सोचेंगे यार? So here's my gripe. I've so far been saying wonderful things about Bhutan and it's beautiful and this and that, and I've just been going on about it, and rightly so. But what I do not like about Bhutan, what I detest about Bhutan, are the Indian tourists over here. The Indian tourists are loud, they think that this country belongs to them. I mean, look at the amount of respect the Bhutanese have for us Indians. हमको बड़े भाई बोलते हैं और हम आके ऐसे करते हैं. Every place we went to, every touristy place was filled with Indian tourists, which was good. But don't bring your Hindi bazaar over here, yaar. In the shrines and all, but बच्चे भाग रहे हैं, माँ पीछे चिल्ला रही है उनके यार. It's not done. Either keep your kids under control or teach them to be quiet. And first, learn to be quiet yourself. You cannot go to another country and disrespect them. Forget being in our own country and disrespecting ourselves. Very frustrating. Day 3 at Thimphu, and we check out today. We're going to a place called Paro, which is about 23 kilometers away. That's not much, but when you're driving around mountains, and more importantly, when you're driving around with a crew of extremely passionate cinematographers and directors, they're just stopping all the time, which is great. Yeah. The fun is in the journey and not the destination. Yeah. We're going to try to go through some forest, try to find some fog lighting. The car's looking pretty dirty, and our director was insistent on cleaning it, but the DOP said it gives more authenticity. And also we're just lazy to clean it up ourselves. But look, there's an Indian sports team over there. Young athletes being educated about their neighbors. Very good thing. Okay, quickly now, the plan is that we go down over there in that stream where we don't know whether the car will be able to go or not. but we're gonna try anyways and have this tenting sort of shot done by the stream over there. So good location, but we don't know if this car will be able to go in. तो चला जाएगा, लेकिन निकालने में शायद प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी या फिर नहीं. Only one way to find out is to do it. So this is going to be the true test of the Duster. We are down in the stream that I pointed out earlier, which is there, and it's quite a steep slope, and we don't have the right tires on, but we never expected to be going like this. I didn't know about the Duster being a full off-road thing, so this will be a good test to see how good the Duster actually is. Our test rider for the day. Fuck, I'm not doing it.
I think Nidhan is a pro driver.
I guess I'm the crash dummy, and I wouldn't want it any other way. How can he not be the first one to go up there or into there? My first piece of sort of action-oriented content piece, or just us fooling around on the Duster, is to take the car, like we said, through this stream. Now it doesn't look that wild, but the undercurrents is what you're supposed to be a little aware of. Now, it's not too deep and it doesn't seem too strong, so we're gonna go ahead with this. Yeah. They haven't got the shot, so we gotta do it again. I'm loving this. We did it again. We went all the way, we did it twice. It was difficult, we almost got stuck. A couple of places I had to reverse it back and forth, but we did it. I'm so impressed by this car. This is a very impressive car. I'm very impressed with it. Very good value for money for the occasional sort of outdooring and mostly city driving. This is a good car. So after that thrilling drive, the sun's out, the water's right here. Look how tempting it is. You have to go in. Let me see how cold it is. ओहो, पता है जब ड्रिंक बनाते हो ना और बर्फ हाथ में कुछ ज़्यादा ही वक्त के लिए रह जाता है ना, वो जो चुभने वाली जो ठंडी है ना, that's how cold it is. Gotta do it. Oh fuck, it's pretty cold. Oh fuck! Oh. चल bro, जल्दी से 1, 2, 3 bro. Oh fuck!
Oh fuck!
It's too cold. Oh fuck! It's fucking cold, again, bro. Oh. Cold. Oh fuck! Please do not judge. It's very cold.
Yeah, rolling.
Yeah, just move your hand, fingers from the mic.
Sorry.
It's connected mic properly?
Yeah.
Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.